Hello, we meet again. As promised in my previous Mi 8 unboxing, today I'm going to unbox the Mi 9. So when I bought this Mi 9 during the Lazada 99 sale, 9th September sale, this was bundled with a screen protector, a 20-watt wireless fast charger, Xiaomi wireless fast charger, and also a hand strap case. Now let us look what's inside. Seems like it is pretty much the same as Mi 8. You will see the first box here, and inside this box are the SIM ejector tool and the dongle, the headphone jack dongle, and also the TPU case. This time it is black in color, and this is some of the documentation inside, the manual. This is the phone, the Mi 9 phone. Okay, let us put that aside. And this is the charging plug. And this is a quick charge charger, but if you look carefully, it's only rated as 12 volt, the highest one, compared to the wireless, which is 20 volt. So I think I will be not using this. I will be using the wireless one. And the last thing that you can find in the box is this Type-C cable. And just like the Mi 8, there are no earphones. So I think that's it. We will see again in the next video, if there is a next video. Bye.